Here's S&P 500's outlook amid the Iran-Israel tensions. S&P saw a sell-off due to Iran-Israel tensions last week, but due to Iran's operations and US assurances, we might see a positive opening. MACD shows weakening momentum, with price below the trend line and the 21-day moving average, hinting at a correction to 4,713. For trade opportunities, short position, enter near 5,250, with a stop loss above recent highs. Target levels at 5,104 and 5,057, eyeing 4,713 if breached. For long positions, look for a bounce at 5,104 support. Stop loss below 5,104. Aim for a retest or broken trendline or higher. Watch retail sales today and US jobless claims on Thursday for market cues. Stay informed, trade smart, and let's navigate these markets together.